move over where your feet won't get on that cord at all. You ready?
Garrett, faster, slower, this is stop. A little bit faster.
Faster, Garrett?
Yes, ma'am, a little bit. Slow down on all the turns.
How's the speed?
Ma'am?
Is the speed okay?
When's it gonna be my turn?
Whenever you want.
Okay, I want to right now.
All right, Nana. Stop. She wants to.
Okay.
My turn.
Here, you hold, Chris. You've got to stand right here and lean back.